Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Christmas ornament earrings. Now I have a finished version here, and this is the blue and gold version, and this is a 12mm Swarovski pearl, a nice little beadel rondelle, and a little spacer bead on the inside there, and we're going to make a simple wire loop to finish off the look. So what we have here today is, again, we have our 12mm Swarovski pearls, and today I'm going to be using the iridescent white. And this is our little rondelle here, so you can see what it looks like from both angles. I have my little spacer beads, and these are TierraCast spacers. I have my earring hooks, and then I have some head pins. And today we're going to be doing a 2-inch 22 gauge. All right, so the only tools that you're going to need are very basic tools. They're going to be a pair of chain nose pliers, a pair of round nose pliers, and a pair of flush cutters. All right, so let's go ahead and take our head pin here. And very simply, we're going to string on our pearl and let that sit all the way down at the bottom. We're going to string on our rondelle, and you can see how beautiful that looks already. And then we're going to take a little spacer bead because I want to fill that little space on the inside there. And the reason to do that is so that our little loop sits on top as opposed to kind of nestled in there, which is really hard to get your pliers in there to make a simple wire loop. So this is going to make it nice and easy. All right, so now I'm just going to hold my bead down there at the bottom, come in with my round nose pliers, and grip just above that little spacer bead there, and I'm going to bend my wire back just a little bit. And now I'm going to move my pliers in so I can get a nice little loop. I'm going to bend that wire up and over the top, just wrapping it around those pliers, move my pliers, and bring that wire just across there, making a nice little loop. And then you can come in with your flush cutters and sneak in there and trim that loop and set our little piece aside. Now the final part is I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend that loop so that it's open nice and wide. I can slip on my earring hook and come in with the very tip there and close up that loop and make sure it's nice and close, and then you are all done. So there is our silver version. So you, of course, just naturally repeat to make the second earring there, but you can do silver, you can do gold, and you can do lots of different colors of these Swarovski pearls or any other 12mm bead that you desire. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com. If you're new here and you enjoy what we do, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell to get all the latest from Beadaholique.